To you, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Alright, so mommy and daddy, can you please blow the candle for Lizelle? 3, 2, 1, go! So everybody say happy birthday Lizelle in 3, 2, 1, give it!
Happy birthday, Lizelle!
Yung mas malakas at may kasamang energy in 3, 2, 1!
Happy birthday, Lizelle!
Okay, so mommy and daddy, may I know your birthday message po para sa inyo pong daughter na si Lizelle?
So, our little princess, happy birthday, Lizelle. Sana lumaki ka. Sana lumaki ka ng maayos, may takot kay God, at magpakabait ka lagi. Yun lang po. Oh, si daddy naman daw. Same lang daw po yung sasabihin. Thank you po. Thank you everyone.
Thank you very much, Mami at Daddy. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Siyempre, ang ating special guest na si Jollibee ay hindi po pupunta sa special day ni Lizelle without the gift. Jollibee, kunin mo yung gift mo kay Lizelle at ibigay mo naman po sa kanya, please. Hindi yan, Jollibee. Hindi sa'yo galing yan. Wow! Jollibee to Lizelle, it's a Jollibee lamp, Mami and Daddy. Ayan po ay umiilaw kapag nilagyan niyo po ng battery. Dahil sa babayaran niyo pong package mamaya, as hindi na po kasi included yung battery doon. You can provide your own battery po para gumana ang gift ni Jollibee. And beside the gift of Jollibee to Lizelle, meron din pong inandang si Jollibee na Jolly Wishes po. So everybody, and Jollibee, how many wishes do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4 Jolly wishes. So our first birthday wish to Lizelle is to grow up prayerful and God-fearing. Palakpakan naman po natin si Jollibee. And for your second birthday wish to our celebrant is to grow up hindi, magkakasakit, and always healthy and strong like kay Jollibee. And your third birthday wish to our celebrant is to grow up beautiful, sexy, flawless like kay Mami. And your fourth birthday wish to our celebrant is to grow up, always be happy like our best friend, si Jollibee. Thank you very much, Jollibee, to your Jolly wishes and gift to Lizelle. And now, lahat nga po muna tayo is magpalakpakan dahil si Jollibee po ay magpapakita ang gilas na po para sa ating lahat. Let's all welcome our best friend, Jollibee!
Sasayaw eh.
Thank you very much, Jollibee. Thank you very much. Mommy and Daddy, tayo naman po kayo ulit dito sa unahan. At bago po mag-end yung special day ni Lizelle here in Jollibee, what is your thank you message po sa lahat na nag-spend ng time together with your family and to celebrate the special day of your daughter po here in Jollibee Mine Museum?
Una po sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pumunta dito. Lalong-lalo na po sa family operaria. Family niyo paano? And then sa lahat po ng pumunta, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Yun lang po. At kay Baby Lizelle, look at me. Sana lumaki kang malusugan at may takot sa Diyos. Yun lang po. Saka po kay Mami Bona po, thank you po sa lahat. Thank you po sa support po sa saya lang. Ilang po.
Ito naman po natin si Mami. So Mami, thank you very much, especially Mami and Daddy, together with the Lola of Lizelle. Thank you very much for choosing us to be part of celebrations of Lizelle's party here in Jollibee the Mine Museum. And on behalf of the management team, we are the JKP team. Once again, everybody, I'm your party host, Kuya Alfred, together with my party sis, Ate Jo, Ate Bea, with our special guest, Jollibee, na lagi nagsasabing bata man po matanda, may ngipin man po wala, basta laging bida.
Saya!
Hanggang sa muling pagkikita, everyone, dito sa Jollibee. Ingat po tayo sa pag-uwi at maraming salamat po. Thank you very much po, Mami and Daddy, and happy birthday, Lizelle. So, Mami and Daddy, sino po yung mabibigyan ng ating mga giveaways? Si mga kids po muna. Alright, lahat nga po ng kids, lumapit dito sa unahan, please. Okay. Say happy birthday, Lizelle, okay?